Hi there. Do you struggle when it comes to making decisions? Do you often doubt yourself and wonder if you're making the right decision? I know this has been a challenge for me, and I'm here to tell you that decision making does not need to be difficult. Hello, I'm Samantha Nielsen. I'm a certified life and force coach, and I want to invite you to join me Tuesday evening, January 10th, for a 90-minute workshop. I'm going to be discussing the power of decision making. We're going to identify specific patterns of self-sabotage that might be plaguing you and keeping you stuck in indecision. Likewise, we're going to learn and implement those practical takeaway tools that can help you to start making decisions confidently so that you can live the life that you truly desire. If you're ready to become a confident decision maker and want to implement these practical tools and learn how to refine them in a quick and easy fashion, click on the button below for more information. I can't wait to see you on the inside.